Hi, better people. Welcome to BetterChat. My name is Harsh, and in this video, I'll take you through the chat section of BetterChat. BetterChat's chat section is specifically designed to work quickly and effectively. On top, as you can see, the first button is Initiate Chat. If you want to initiate chat with a specific number, you need to click on Initiate Chat button. Then you need to add that number. For now, I'll add mine. Then you need to select from which registered WhatsApp number you want to send me a WhatsApp. For now, I'll choose my My Global Company's number. Then I'll select the template. For now, I'll just choose Hello World template. Then I'll simply click on Send Message. Wait for a while, and now we have received the WhatsApp message, as you can see, and it will be here as well. You may also search a user by their contact name or phone number. Following that, there are some filters that can help manage chat much effectively. I'll further explain these filters in the next video. Following that is the chat section that displays all the initiated chats. If you choose any, you can send your customer templates. If they reply, a 24-hour chat window will open for you to engage with your customer. The basic information section, as the name implies, provide client basic information, which you may change or can allocate to your agent, and tag if necessary. The ultimate action is notes. As you are aware, keeping a record of your contact will assist you in converting them to customer more quickly. Thus, we have included it here, so you can make quick notes immediately on the contact. So far, we have talked about the BetterChat chat section. In the next video, we'll talk about the filters in the chat section and how useful they can be for your businesses. Please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned.